Here we are live again, Southern style pressure wash. We just got through soaping the roof, and now we're allowing it to eat, continue to eat, and take all the mold and the mildew off. And you have Jason, he's watering down all the plants so the sodium hypochlorite don't kill any plants. Everything's watered down good. And this roof should start brightening up here in just a little bit. As it does, we'll show you how it looks when it gets finished. This side here was real black, and I can see it already taking a lot of it off. Give you an update in a little bit.